Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how we can delete a particular YouTube account. So it's very simple and easy. So once you can see, we are already on the Google account tab, so you must be logged in. That's the first condition, you should be logged in, and once you logged in you just need to search on a Google, like the Google account. So once you just click on the first link, you will be landing up on this particular page. Just click on go to Google account. Once you are on the Google account, you can see all the details and every information is available here. Click on the data and privacy.
Reimagined.
So basically, like, you don't need to go to the YouTube account itself to delete it, because YouTube is anyhow is the Google sub company. So you can always take all the actions related to all your Google products from the Google account itself, like Drive and YouTube and everything. So you can see we are already up here. Go down completely below and you can see here download or delete your data. So click on delete a Google service. Just click on it.
Artlist.io.
Once you click on it, you will be seeing multiple all kind of things, like, see, it will be asking for access to me. So once you logged in, you can see on the particular page you have a section where you can directly delete a particular YouTube account or whichever account you want to have. So multiple, whichever the associated accounts are there, you can just click and delete the
Music
account.
licensing
Thank you.
reimagined.